Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web's not working in Chrome browser. Now for us to get this done, let's go over and click the settings right here, and then we're going to go ahead and locate privacy and security and then third-party cookies. Next, we're going to open see all site data and permission, and from here we're going to locate WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and click the delete button right here. So we're going to go ahead and delete the site data and permissions of that particular website. Now that we've done that one, the next thing that we're going to do is update our Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and click about Chrome right here. Make sure that your Chrome is updated. Now that we've done that one, those two should be enough. So let's go ahead and open web.whatsapp.com. And as you can see, we are now back here. So if that doesn't fix the problem for you, I want you to go ahead and open another one or another web browser. So first thing, you have Microsoft Edge on your PC. Let's go ahead and type here web.whatsapp.com, and there you go. So both are working on my end, so that works pretty well. Yep, those three methods should work for you as well. That's how you're going to fix if your WhatsApp web is not loading in Chrome browser.